Blogging tools can help your WordPress website grow by adding extra features and functionality. Without them, you'll likely find it much harder to increase awareness, boost engagement, and attract more blog subscribers. In this video, we'll share the best WordPress blog tools to improve your blog's user experience and help it grow. Number one on the list is RafflePress, and if you're serious about improving your online presence and driving traffic to your website, you can't go wrong with RafflePress. It's the best WordPress giveaway plugin, allowing you to quickly grow your email list, subscribers, and social media followers with online giveaway contests. It has a drag and drop giveaway builder and pre-made templates, and you can quickly create any giveaway in minutes. It includes options to upload a prize image, heading, and description, and lets you choose when your giveaway should start and end. But where RafflePress excels is with its giveaway entry actions. Users can enter your giveaway via sharing on social media, following your social profiles, joining your email list, leaving a blog comment, and more. RafflePress offers both a free and premium version. With the free version, you can run a simple online contest, but we recommend the pro version for all the best features. Number two is SeedProd. This is another powerful WordPress plugin your blog can't do without. It's the best drag and drop page builder for WordPress, allowing you to build and customize any page layout without writing code or PHP. As a blogger, that means you can design your entire WordPress blog without help from a developer. You can even build a custom WordPress theme and tailor it to your needs and aesthetic. What's more, you won't need to start from scratch. SeedProd offers hundreds of pre-made templates you can edit visually and see the changes in real time, including lead generation landing pages, coming soon pages, WooCommerce websites, headers and footers, portfolios, and more. There are tons of blocks that you can simply drag and drop them onto your page and see your design come to life. You can try the free plugin to get a taste of how SeedProd works, then upgrade to the pro version for all the best features. Number three is MonsterInsights, and this is the most popular Google Analytics plugin for WordPress that helps you make data-driven decisions about your blog. It integrates with Google Analytics to provide a user-friendly interface for accessing website traffic data such as page views, sessions, demographics, and more. With that information, you can track and optimize your website's performance, understand your audience, and grow your business. The plugin is easy for beginners to use and creates reports so you can find the information you need. It also doesn't require any coding, so you can connect to your analytics account with a few clicks. MonsterInsights offers a free version with zero cost. However, more features are available in the premium version. Number four is OptinMonster, and this is another reliable WordPress blog tool used for lead generation and conversion optimization toolkit that makes growing your email list and boosting engagement effortless. With its drag and drop builder and pre-made templates, you can build high converting opt-in forms for your blog. In a few clicks, you can create exit intent pop-ups, sidebar forms, floating bars, lightbox pop-ups, full screen welcome mats, and more. Number five is WPForms, and this is a must-have blog tool for any WordPress website. It's the best WordPress contact form plugin, allowing you to display user-friendly forms anywhere on your website. You can create many different forms, including payment, survey, newsletter, registration, and more. Plus, you won't need to start from scratch because it includes hundreds of mobile responsive form templates you can customize with a few clicks. WPForms makes it effortless to build relationships with blog readers by helping to grow your email list. Thanks to its intelligent conditional logic, you can collect user data via form submissions to help you craft the most relevant content for your blog. Number six is One SEO, and this is the leading search engine optimization plugin for WordPress with over 2 million website owners and bloggers using it to improve their search engine rankings. If you have a blog, it's essential to optimize it for search engines to make it easy for your target audience to find. The plugin provides a user-friendly interface inside your WordPress dashboard for optimizing your website content, including the ability to edit title tags, meta descriptions, keyword analysis, and more. It also includes an SEO audit checklist to help identify and fix errors on your website, making it easier to improve your blog's rankings and search engine results. Number seven is Smashballoon, and it offers the best suite of social media feed plugins on the market. They allow WordPress users to easily integrate and display different social media content on their websites without code or CSS. The company offers social feed plugins for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, and even has a solution that combines them all into a single social media wall. These plugins aim to make it easy for you to connect with your social media audience and increase engagement on your website. Number eight is PushEngage, and this is the most popular web-based push notification platform. It lets you send push notifications to your subscribers even if they're not actively on your blog. PushEngage's platform lets you create, manage, and send push notifications in real time, helping you increase engagement and drive traffic to your blog. It has various customization options and targeting features to help you send personalized and relevant notifications about your blog content. It works on all modern web browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge, making it a popular choice for bloggers. Number 9 is MemberPress, and it's one of the best WordPress plugins for blogs that offer exclusive content. It's the best membership plugin for WordPress, enabling you to build a members-only site for online courses, a private blog audience, and more. You can charge website visitors for access to specific blog content. It provides an effortless way to create, manage, and monitor membership subscriptions to expand your audience and increase sales. The plugin is user-friendly and beginner-friendly, working seamlessly with any WordPress theme for a cohesive look and feel. It also includes powerful access controls, giving you complete control over what blog content your members see, while limiting access to post pages, tags, post types, categories, and more. Number 10 is Constant Contact. If you're serious about growing your blog, you'll need a way to manage your email list. That's why our next favorite blog tool, Constant Contact, is an excellent choice. It's a popular email marketing platform that lets you send emails and sell products all from one place. As your subscriber list grows, you need a robust email service provider to keep up. Constant Contact offers easy subscriber management, task automation, email campaign creation, and more. Number 11 is UpdraftPlus. And keeping your blog backed up is another crucial part of any blogger's workflow. Without backups of your content, you could lose all your hard work. With UpdraftPlus, you can back up your entire WordPress site, giving you the peace of mind you need, including files, databases, and plugins. This backup plugin lets you store the backups in various remote locations like cloud storage services, and use them to restore your blog in case of data loss or other problems. UpdraftPlus provides users an easy-to-use interface for managing and scheduling backups, making it a popular choice for website owners who want to keep their data secure and protected. Number 12 is Sucuri. It's another essential tool for your blog. It's a WordPress security plugin that provides various security solutions for websites and servers. Sucuri helps you protect your blog from various security threats like hacking, malware, and other types of attacks. As a result, you can keep your blog secure and protect your reputation and user data. Additionally, Sucuri provides customers with a dashboard for monitoring website security and receiving alerts about potential threats. Number 13 is WP Rocket. Slow blog load times can push your visitors away, which is why it's so important to keep your blog as fast as possible. That's where WP Rocket, one of the best WordPress caching plugins, can help. WP Rocket generates cache versions of your website, allowing your server to save resources. It also preloads the cache, enabling search engines to index your site quickly. WP Rocket also optimizes your website's performance by compressing static files and optimizing code. Additionally, it implements an image optimization with lazy loading for images, further improving page load speeds. There you have it. You now have a list of the best WordPress blog tools at your fingertips. Try them out to discover which blogging tools suit your blog the best. Before you go, check out these videos for more great RafflePress content. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.